Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning t-shirt design in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, I'm going back to the Canva homepage and just going to the custom size. I creating a 180 by 180. So it's a square frame, and now the first thing what I need, so first I just changing the background to black and go into the text and add text. I will create the same, so home. Go into the Canva Sans. This is a font type, so I went to the font, just changing to Anton and just increasing the size a bit and duplicating it and changing the text to land. Yes, I like this. And moving to the center and also rotating a bit like this. And then we can rotate to 45 degree if we want. Or going to the position and here minus 45, bam. So in this case it's perfectly 45 as I need. Maybe you can increasing a bit. Oops. So now it's, I think, moved also back the angle. Yes, minus 45. Yes, and select again, increasing the size. That's too big. That's too big, like to this. Yeah, like this. It's yeah, now it's perfect. So now what we should do, we should download this. Or maybe, no, I just decrease the size a bit again. This is the reason why I'm doing it. Just and I already start to think about the mockup, and the mockup for t-shirts, hoodies. I don't think so. They have so many square-based mockups. So just to avoiding the bigger loss, I'm just doing this. So now I need to download best quality. I think downloading it. And from here I can upload, increase the size to the max, and duplicating it, moving to the same position, edit, duotone. We can change the colors to whatever we want. Remove the background. Yeah. And if we do not like this color settings, we might, yeah, a bit more. Darker, that's nice, that's good. And now I can just crop a bit this top one to have like this. Oops. That was not a good thing. Okay, like this. And I think this looks really good now. And now just have to download again, increasing the size of the best, page 2 only, download, open a new page again, upload again, and now going to the edit, scrolling down, mockups, scrolling down, find until the apparels and looking for some good design, what we would like to use. Might be this in this time. Yes, it's quite good. And change the color to black. Apply changes. And I think it is, oh no, I forgot one important thing. Yeah, sorry, it was my stupidity. I forgot to add the shadow, so just looking for some shadow like this one, increasing the size. This one is not the one I think. Yeah, this one that I need. Increasing the size a bit, like this, and change the size. I should just rotate, and like this, it's more realistic. So sorry, I forgot to do this before. Yeah, that's nice, looks nice. And now I can download again the best quality, and page number 2, download, going back to the page 3. So I just upload again, edit. Nope. Now I can go to, I just have to wait until it's uploaded. Going back to the mockups, apparel, and going down to find again the same what I used before. Was this one. Again, just a size a bit. No, it's perfect. Changing the color again to black. Apply changes. It's already done. Yeah, it's more realistic with these shadows. Is much nicer and better, I think. And it's very easy to create it. As you can see, that's a really few steps and it's already eye-catching. We can choose any color with what we want. We can change to text, or we can also add logos or everything. That's super nice and super easy. I like these things really much. That's we can create our own really unique like t-shirt or hoodie easily. That's, you know, that's if the text is just is horizontal or vertical, I think it's a bit boring. If you put some angle with shadows, that's already just increase the level of creativity, and that's really basic things. But as you can see, it's already looks much better. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible, or I try to create a tutorial about it as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description. At the moment, I'm a bit struggling a bit because my my Facebook page is my private Facebook page is blocked or deleted by the Facebook, so all of my contents was, I think, is removed from this group, but still lots of nice tutorial from another great Canva expert. But soon I coming back, and I will also uploading again the contents what I already created. Plus, also you can find my short tutorials also in the description. You can find links for my TikTok and Instagram pages, so you can find a lots of short tutorials on my Instagram and TikTok pages, so please feel free to check them also. And you can find, as I mentioned already, in the description, the links. But now this tutorial will go to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.